For the biscuit recipe, you're gonna be doing an extra sift of your flour. So this demo is gonna show that, so please make sure you're paying close attention. So when I look at the recipe, in the ingredients, it says 2 cups of sifted flour. So that means before I even measure it, I need to sift it. Then it also says step 2, I'm resifting down here. So I wanna show you and clarify what this looks like. So I'm gonna first start by getting my 2 cups of sifted flour. So I have 2 different bowls here, so I don't get confused. All I'm gonna do is I've got my sifter that I'm gonna set on top, and I'm gonna need 2 cups. So I'm gonna take my 1 cup measuring cup, and this is the only time it's acceptable to dip in. I'm gonna grab a heaping scoop and send it through. So that's gonna give me about 1, do it a second time, for 2, okay? This is still not measured yet. All we're doing is getting a good amount sifted so that we can then measure it. So then I'm gonna set my sifter on my other bowl. Again, we haven't measured, we're gonna measure, and then this is going to be the bowl for the recipe. So then I'm just sending it back through for this step 2 resift on the recipe. Okay, but I need to measure out that 2 cups. So I'm gonna then now do my scoop and level method. So I'm gonna get that nice and full. We don't pack, and then we're gonna send it through and get my second cup. So the reason I did 2 heaping scoops is so I know that I would get enough out of that. You could use a smaller bowl here. This is just all I had, so I wanna make sure that's nice and full. Okay, so this is 2 cups of sifted flour. This is extra, do not confuse this. This now can go back in your flour container. Whoops, don't make a mess like I did. Because it's clean and usable. It's just that it's not sifted. So then we're gonna come back here. This is our now bowl for our recipe. So this is the resift part of step 2. And then I'm gonna add to this my baking powder, sugar, cream of tartar, baking soda, and salt. So the rest of the dry ingredients are gonna get sent also through the sifter here. So by sifting, remember we're adding air, making the biscuits nice and light and airy, okay? So that's how you're gonna do it for your recipe.